Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I have a super exciting Amazon haul. This is a huge Amazon haul, and I want to give a big thank you to Verdusa from Amazon for sending all these pieces to me. I worked with them before. I'm working with them again because I love their clothing pieces. They're more like trendy style pieces. If you guys are watching, you are not subscribed to my channel, make sure you click that subscribe button right now, and also don't forget to click the notification bell so that way YouTube will notify you every time I post a new video. Would appreciate if you guys could follow me on Instagram and LTK. I will leave all the links down below along with all the links for these clothing pieces. Don't worry, they will be all linked along with the prices and the sizing. So without further ado, let's get right into it, starting off with this top right here. So this top, I will have to say it's one of my favorite from the haul. I highly recommend it. It is so affordable. Did I forget to mention that this haul is super affordable? I think I did. This haul is super affordable. A lot of the pieces remind me of like Walmart pricing because it is that affordable. I love this contrast with the white and the black. They do have these in multiple colors, so if you're not feeling the white and the black, you have more colorful, bright colors, but I really love the contrast of the white and the black. It is super cute, so I definitely recommend this. I got in the large because it is a crop top, but it's not cropped on me just because I'm 5'1", so a lot of times tops that are cropped, it doesn't look cropped on me. I highly recommend it. It's so much fun, it's so cute, and honestly it looks chic but at the same time very trendy. And one thing I want to mention is that all these pieces that will be linked down below, I will have them by numbers, so this will be number 1 and so on, so that way it's easy for you guys to find the links. I always have them in order and I always have them numbered, so I decided to do that because I just feel like it's easier to find the link. Moving on to this bodysuit right here. I wanted to try more trendy pieces that I usually never do. I usually stay clear of it, but I was like, you know what the heck, I'm gonna try some new pieces that I have not tried before, and some of the pieces that in my mind I'm like they're cute but I will probably never wear because it might be like it won't work for me. So I think this is a really beautiful bodysuit. I love the one shoulder look, but I always feel like I would never wear it because I have to get a special bra. But let me tell you, these girls that come out with these bra hacks are just amazing. Thank you so much, because there's a girl that basically just take one of the straps, you put it over your head, and it's like all good. I think this is really nice. It's very nice and stretchy, very comfortable. I got in the large because I was afraid of this being like too tight and giving me a wedgie. And usually with bodysuits, I feel like that's the problem I have, is that even though I'm petite, it ends up like going up there and it's just not comfortable. I got in a large, and I'm really glad that I got in the large. It does have the snap closures like this. Very comfortable, really recommend it. Kind of has like a shirt, t-shirt material. Really nice and soft. And I also got this right here. I got this, I think they call it a sarong. This basically you wrap around your waist to cover up your bikini. So whatever bikini you're wearing, you just wrap this around. I always love that look. I think it's so cute. Got it in the black, and I really love the tassels right here. It's very nice and playful. Again, they do have these in multiple colors. This is a one size fits all, I believe. But it's really pretty. It's really big, like super big. So I can see why it's a one size. I really love it. If you're looking for a really nice sarong, I definitely recommend this. Then moving on to this top right here. This is a one shoulder top. Again, it's not a bodysuit, it's a top. Green, this type of green is very on trend right now, and I wanted to get something like this that is super cute. Whenever you see a top like this, guys, I recommend you get it because it's very flattering. It does cover up any imperfections and it just makes you look gorgeous and perfect. And I really love this. I just think it's very beautiful, very flattering. I got this in the size large. It fits perfect, and I love this, guys. Whenever you see it ruched like that, this is your best friend right here. It will cover up, it will make you look perfect. So it looks like this on this side, and then this is how it looks here. It's really nice and comfortable, very stretchy, and I really love this green. This green is so beautiful. I know I'm definitely gonna wear this for the summertime. It is just beautiful, and they do have these in multiple colors. I did really want the orange as well. The orange is such a beautiful color. The colors are so nice and vibrant. I got this top right here, and it looks like this one I got in the size medium. It's really nice and flowy. It's a spaghetti strap, and then it has like the cold shoulder look. I think this is really pretty if you want like a really nice flowy top for the summertime, and you don't want it to be like on your body. You don't want it to feel sticky, or you know, like one of those tops where you feel sticky and it feels like it's clinging to your body. This is really nice and flowy, so it's off your body, it's breezy, and it's perfect. So like I said, I got in the medium, I got in the black, and I really like it, guys. This is not see-through. It kind of looks see-through as I'm showing you right here, but when it's on the body, it's not see-through whatsoever. This is a trendy piece. I seen oh my gosh, what is her name? Shay Whitney on YouTube. She does a lot of like Amazon must-haves videos, and she showed this top right here. So when I seen it, I knew I had to get it because it looks so good on her, and it is like this button-up top. I thought this was really fun. Obviously I got in the pink because she got in the pink, and when I seen it, I was like, I gotta get in the pink too. And it's so cute, kind of like a crop style. I think this is perfect to wear with like some jeans and have this really pretty like loose style button-up. It's really different because this button up is like I said, cropped, and it's really cute. I'll definitely have to steam it, but I think this is really nice. It has like the regular like button up style material. There's no stretch to this, so just keep that in mind. But I really do love this. Highly recommend this one as well. I would say this is my other favorite from the haul for sure. Moving on to two tops that I like so much that I got them in two colors. First one is this one right here. So this is this gorgeous white top, and it has sheer sleeves. It's like a poofy sleeve with polka dots. Super cute, and I really love this white top. The reason why I love this white top, because it's a material that is not see-through. As long as you're wearing a nude bra, it is not see-through whatsoever. This in a medium, it fits perfect. I really love this, and I think white is perfect for the summertime because it's crisp, it's clean, and it just white just reminds me of summertime, honestly. And I really love this one so much, and I love that one so much that of course you guys already know what color I got it in. I got it in the black. This one is so pretty. I feel like I like the black a little more because you guys know I do tend to gravitate toward black or really bold colors, and then at the same time neutrals. But black, a lot of times I'm like, oh my gosh, the black looks super cute, you know. Again, the same style sleeves. It has the poofy sleeves, and it's kind of like cinched in right here. It is so flattering, super cute. I love the square neck, the way it looks right here. And one thing I did want to mention is that this is really nice and stretchy, but at the same time it's very flattering. So I do recommend this. It's a really nice material. It looks like this. Let me give you guys a little close up. Moving on to a trending style, Skims style dress. I'm pretty sure you guys heard of the Skims dress. They are so popular. Everybody's buying them. Everybody loves them. I found this one, and honestly, like, I can't tell you if it's a dupe just because I've never tried Skims. It does remind me a lot of Skims on the style, and I've seen a lot of girls styling it and how it looks on their body, and I'm like, it literally looks like Skims, you know. And it is this one right here. I love this. It's a beautiful chocolate brown color. It is long, like it's a maxi dress. It goes all the way down. I got this one in a medium, and it fits perfect. I really love it. And one thing I really appreciate about this dress is that it has adjustable straps. That is very important for petite ladies like me. I have a small frame, so if this will not be adjustable, a lot of times the straps end up being like too big. This is beautiful, guys. It fits nice. It is so gorgeous. I actually love wearing this with like a kimono cardigan to throw over, just to like look really nice and breezy for the summertime, and just put on some sandals and you are set to go. I highly recommend it. They come in multiple colors. Moving on to an item that I repurchased. So I got this top right here. I have this one in the color nude, and I love this so much, and I love the way it looks that I had to get it in the black. This is more like a knitted looking sweater top, but it's not one of those sweater tops that is made for the fall. It's more for the summertime, and it's not one of those tops that will make you hot. I hope you guys know what I mean. It's basically like a summer knit material. It looks like this, and this is a crop top. Got this in a size large. The only thing I do recommend is that if you are petite, you would have to adjust the straps. I honestly don't mind that because I love it that much. I know I'm probably gonna like trim about 2 inches on each strap, but other than that, it is perfect. If you don't, like, I'm 5'1", if I wouldn't adjust this, the straps ends up being like way too much. It has a lot of extra material, so definitely do that. But I don't think it's a big deal because I love it that much. I don't mind altering it. I actually do that whenever something doesn't work, because since I'm petite, there's items where I'm like, it's perfect if only, you know. So this is one of those items that I know I'm gonna have to adjust, which is no big deal. I love it that much. I know I'm gonna wear this a lot. It's just absolutely gorgeous, guys. I'm telling you, get this. It is so beautiful, really nice and stretchy, as you can see, and it is ribbed. Really nice. I feel like this reminds me of Zara. Got this these pants. These are so cool. Definitely for like a vacation, a tropical vacation, somewhere where you know it's gonna be hot and you just want some flowy pants. These are really on trend, guys, so trend alert right here. It looks like this. I got them in the black, and it has like this split right here. This does not open all the way, just so you guys know. Like, it does go high up, but it doesn't show like my whole leg. And I'm gonna style it so you guys can see obviously how it looks, but I really love how it opens. As I walk, it kind of slightly opens. I'm usually not into pants like this that go up high, where it's like literally like up here, but this does not do that, and that's why I really appreciate it. I think it's so much fun. It's so playful. I got these in a size medium. They have these in multiple colors, and I highly recommend them. Moving on to some shorts. Again, these, I love them so much that I got them in another color. Got these shorts right here. The first time I bought them was in like a cream color, and then I love them that much that I had to get it in this gorgeous and beautiful color. They also have this in a black. I really love these. I got it in a large. It's really nice, guys, and I really love the fact that it has very nice big pockets, really great material. So I do recommend this. It's really nice. Obviously, I would need to steam it, but other than that, this is really nice quality. It does feel more expensive than it really is. Moving on to a top that I love, but I do wish I sized up. It is this one right here. When I saw it, I was like, definitely gonna wear this around the house. I really love like that tie-dye look. I got this in an extra large. I thought that this is gonna be more oversized than it is, but it's not. I do have another top that I have in an extra large, and I'll show you in a bit that it is way bigger than this one. So this I would definitely, if I could have, I would have got it in like an XXL, just to have that super oversized look, just because I knew I was gonna wear this for around the house. Nevertheless, it's still a oversized look, but I want it to be oversized. I hope you guys know what I mean. I'm over explaining myself, but I just wanted you guys to know what I'm talking about. It is this top right here. So this top I think is absolutely gorgeous. They do have these again in multiple colors. I got it with the white and the black because I just love it. I just think it's super cute. Love the quality on this. It's really nice and breathable. I think this is perfect for the summertime. If you're that type of girl like me that likes to have super oversized shirts just to wear around the house, I really love this. Here is the shirt that I also got in extra large, but this one is actually the oversized of how I thought this one is going to look, but it's not, because it is a different style shirt, so you know it makes sense. But anyways, it is this one right here. I have this exact same shirt in the color pink. I love that shirt so much that I had to get it in this color as well. I think they call it a beige, and I really love it. It says Miami. I do wish they bring out more shirts like this, but I want them to bring one out like this that says California, because I am from Cali, so I do hope they do that. But I still really love this. I do want to visit Miami. That is one of my bucket list place to visit. Super comfortable. It's like a regular t-shirt material, but very soft, very breathable and comfortable. And like I said, I got it in an extra large. It fits perfect. It's super oversized, guys, but I love it. I love that look. Like, it's big, but it's my style. Oh my gosh, guys, this is just like, I don't know what I was thinking. I don't know where I'm gonna go with this. I told myself that I'm gonna wear this going dancing I don't know where. Maybe in my house. I'll make my dreams come true. But this is so cute, guys. Honestly, you could definitely wear this for like a dinner date. But this I just saw was so cute. When I seen this, I was like, you have to come with me. Even though, like, I don't know if I'll ever wear you, but I'm gonna look at you and it's gonna motivate me, because this is so beautiful. It has like a little fringe going down. It has like rows of fringes. It has here, there's one here, there's here and here, so there's like 4 layers, and it does have the zipper that you can tie, that you can zip down. I got this in a size large. It's really nice. I always like to size up when it comes to skirts. Really glad I did. Since I'm petite, this does not look like super short on me. I don't like super short skirts. Very great quality. It does have a little bit of a stretch. It's kind of hard for me to actually stretch it all the way because I'm afraid of breaking these little tassels or fringe. And but overall, super cute. Also decided to get a PJ set. I seen it and I was like, this is cute. This is perfect for the summertime. It is a set. So here's the top. I got it in a large because I want it to be comfortable. I'm usually, whenever it comes to like PJ sets, like shorts PJ sets, I get in the medium, but I want it to be extra comfy and I didn't want it to be booty shorts, so I got in the large. I really love this. It's leopard, like satin leopard, and it's white. What? It is super cute. Perfect for the summertime. It is gorgeous. So yeah, I do recommend it. This has no stretch, but it's really nice and breathable. I do recommend these for the summertime if you want to look cute around the house. Of course, here are the shorts. So they look like that. I just think these are so cute, guys. And again, very nice and comfortable. Last but not least, it is this top right here. So it looks like that, and this is a very unique style top. Looks like that, and then it has this closure right here where you can tie it in a like a bow tie, or just tie it and let it hang down. To be honest with you, it's not really my style. I wanted to try it out to see how I feel about it, but I don't like it. There's nothing wrong with it. The quality is good. Like, really, there's nothing wrong with it. The one thing I will say is that there's no stretch on this, so keep that in mind. I got it in the medium. It does fit great. Like I said earlier, I did want to try out some pieces that I usually don't try out, and I wanted to kind of go out of my comfort zone and try things that I usually don't go for, and I wanted to see how I feel about it. This is one of the pieces that I tried and I don't like. I'm just gonna be honest, guys. Even though things are sent to me, I always want to be honest with you guys if I like it or not, because if I don't want you guys getting it and then you're gonna be like, Phoebe, what the heck? Like, I don't like this. You know, there's some pieces that maybe I love and you guys might not love, you know what I mean? But overall, I want to keep it honest. This to me is not my style. So I mean, it's not bad. Like I said, you might like it, so I hope I don't know how to offending anybody. There's that. I really hope you guys enjoyed this haul. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're watching and you are not subscribed to my channel, why aren't you? Like, click it. It's free. Let me tell you, it's free. And don't forget to click the notification bell so that way you get notified every time I post new video. I feel like I'm a little feisty in this video. Maybe it's because of my hair. Like, I feel like the lion just came out of me today because of my hair. You know what I mean? A little too wild. I gotta tame it down. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And until next time, remember, God bless. Bye.